The P0015 code means your vehicle's computer has detected that the B camshaft, typically the exhaust camshaft on bank 1, is more retarded than it should be. Retarded means the camshaft is lagging, causing valves to open and close later than optimal. Bank 1 is the side of the engine with cylinder number 1. Proper camshaft timing is crucial for engine performance and efficiency. The camshaft must rotate in precise synchronization with the crankshaft to ensure valves open and close at the right moments during the engine cycle. When camshaft timing is correct, intake valves open to draw in air and fuel at the optimal time, while exhaust valves release combustion gases efficiently. This maximizes power output and fuel efficiency. When timing becomes retarded, as in the P0015 code, the camshaft lags behind the crankshaft. Valves open and close too late, disrupting the combustion process and reducing engine efficiency. Modern engines use variable valve timing systems to dynamically adjust camshaft position based on driving conditions, optimizing performance and emissions. Several issues can trigger the P0015 code, with the most common causes being low or degraded engine oil, a faulty VVT solenoid or valve, a stretched timing chain or belt, or oil sludge accumulation that restricts oil flow to the cam phaser. Low or degraded engine oil is the most common cause. When oil breaks down from extended drain intervals or poor quality, it loses viscosity and can't properly lubricate the VVT system, leading to timing issues. A faulty VVT solenoid or valve is another frequent culprit. These components can get stuck open or closed, especially in high-mileage vehicles, preventing proper oil flow to adjust camshaft timing. A stretched timing chain or belt can cause the camshaft to lag behind the crankshaft. This is particularly common in vehicles with over 100,000 miles, where the chain or belt loses tension and stretches over time. Oil sludge accumulation can block oil passages and restrict flow to the cam phaser, preventing proper timing adjustments. This often occurs when oil isn't changed regularly or in engines that run hot. Less commonly, sensor failures or wiring problems can trigger the P0015 code. These issues prevent the ECM from accurately monitoring camshaft position relative to the crankshaft. Besides the check engine light, you might experience rough idle, reduced acceleration, poor fuel economy up to a 20% drop, and possible stalling. In severe cases, unburned fuel can damage the catalytic converter. To diagnose the P0015 code, a mechanic starts by using an OBD2 scanner to confirm the code and gather initial data. Next, they check the engine oil level and pressure, aiming for 30 to 60 psi at idle to ensure proper lubrication for the VVT system. Oscilloscope tests are performed on the VVT solenoids and camshaft position sensors to check for proper electrical signals and timing accuracy. Freeze-frame data from the scanner reveals the exact conditions when the code was triggered, such as during a cold start, helping pinpoint the root cause. During diagnosis, the relationship between crankshaft and camshaft position is monitored dynamically to confirm proper timing. The first step in fixing a P0015 code is often an oil change using the correct viscosity oil and a high-quality filter. Low or dirty oil is a frequent cause of timing issues. A high-quality oil filter ensures contaminants are properly removed, maintaining clean oil flow to the VVT system. Consider using synthetic oil, especially in colder climates, to prevent sludge buildup that can block oil passages and affect camshaft timing. If an oil change doesn't solve the issue, the VVT solenoid on bank 1 is the next most likely suspect. The VVT solenoid controls oil flow to adjust camshaft timing. It can become stuck or fail electrically, disrupting timing. Replacement is usually straightforward and inexpensive. Locate the solenoid on bank 1, disconnect electrical connector, remove mounting bolts, and install new solenoid. If the problem persists, a stretched timing chain or belt is possible, especially in higher mileage vehicles over 100,000 miles. This is a more involved repair, requiring replacement of the chain belt and potentially other related components like guides and tensioners.